In today's video, I'm going to show you affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, step by step for 2021. So we're going to use a product off ClickBank for this exercise. ClickBank's an affiliate marketing platform which has over 3,000 products listed here, and you can promote any of these products. And we're going to be using a fairly new website for our traffic called Minds, and it's one of the things about this is you can post your raw affiliate links, so you don't need to have a landing page. All those restrictions of so many of the other social media platforms are not here. Now, if you have a look, this guy here, over 1,000 views in 2 days. And the great thing about this website is it's free. And just looking through here, I just typed in hashtag make money online, and there's 1.8 thousand views 1 day ago. You could put affiliate marketing, and I've had a bit of a look here. This guy is well known in YouTube fields, 1,200 views, Matt Parr. So, let's have a look at what sort of traffic this website gets. So I've just come over to a website called SimilarWeb, which gives us a lot of data about different websites. So globally, it's ranked at 27,000. In the US, it ranks at 12,700 out of all the websites. And the category that it is in, under news and media, it ranks at 875. And as you can see, the ranking is going up according to this. Now, the other interesting thing for us is to have a look at traffic. You can see here it's had a big rise in January, come down a little bit, and it's stable. So it gets about 1.8, 2 million views a month, about 2 million views a month. Average duration that people stay here is 9 minutes. And let's have a look at the traffic. So the traffic to minds.com, the countries, we want to look at what countries that the traffic comes from. Nearly half the traffic here is from the US, then 10% Canada, United Kingdom. So top tier 1 countries. And why that's important is when we're selling a high ticket product, we want to be putting that offer in front of people that have got the ability to pay for it. In other words, they've got the money to pay for it, and it's nothing against some of the poorer countries, lesser developed countries. They just don't have the income to be able to afford the products that we want to offer. Now, before we go into setting up your account, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And also, if you've been here before and you're not new, welcome. Great to have you back again. All right, so let's go over. It's pretty straightforward to sign up. It's free, as I said, and choose a username. And then go down here where you've chosen your username. Click on that, and it gives you a couple of options. So you can just upload this. You can also, if you want to change the banner there, you can go to a website called, just do this, you can go to a website called Pexels or Pixabay, and you can just search for a free video there. If you want to edit it, you can take it over to a website called Canva, and then you just click on, as I've done there, you click on upload, edit, and you're going to upload it. I've already done that. Taking a moment. I've already downloaded it, so we click on that. As I say, if you want to, you can take it over to Canva and edit it. Taking a moment to upload. There we go. And then you've got a bio here. Important just to put something in there. Hi, my name's Graeme, and make a living as an affiliate marketer on YouTube, and I want to help others to make money online by making my tutorials. Then you've got some about info here. You can change your display name, which I did. No need to put a location. You don't have to put a birth date in. Just save that. Then hashtags are important. You get the opportunity to put 5 hashtags. So I've put in affiliate marketing, make money online, affiliate marketing for beginners, earn money online, and affiliate marketing tips, and then you just save that. And then under social links, you can only put one link, so you can put an affiliate link to a product. I've just put a link here to my YouTube channel. Up to you what you want to put there. So in this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, if we're going to make money, we're going to need a product. So we're back over here at ClickBank. You obviously signed up for an account, and we're going to choose a product. I've already got a product in mind, so we're going to go down here to e-business and e-marketing. Now, we're not going to worry about it being too competitive because we're not competing directly. Now, if you don't, you can choose whatever category that you want. I've just chosen this product because this is the niche I'm in. There are categories, there are products there on mine's to do with trading, to do with weight loss, dating, all sorts of things. So we're just going to filter by gravity. I'll do a search inside the category, and then I'm going to search filter by gravity. And we're going to go with this product by John Crestani. It pays $600 and on average $670. So, and we're not competing with other people in this traffic source. There are other people in there, but it's a relatively new traffic source. So it's not, not like some of the others where, you're competing against hundreds and hundreds of other affiliates. Okay, so we've chosen this product, so we need to get our affiliate link. So if you just click on promote, then just click on generate hop link. We just stay with the default. There are other, you can read through what these other pages are, but let's just stay with the default. That's what we want. So click on generate hop link, and then that will give us our affiliate link. So copy this because it looks with the other website for traffic, you can actually put this in there, but it looks very spammy, and we want to make it easy for people to click on. So copy that. We go across to another website called, all you do, and this is free as well. I'd sign up for it because you can actually track how many clicks you get. Click on create link, paste the affiliate link in, and as you can see, big long link. It gives you a nice, neat looking link like that. Copy that, and we're going to put that back in our notepad for the time being. So you can go through here, news feed. Now, some of these articles you won't be able to open because there is a paid option as well. If it says it's locked, it's because some of the options here you need to pay, and we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to use it to get free traffic to our affiliate offers. The other thing is you can create groups and things like that, and if you want to, like a blog, you could set up a group and invite people to it, but you don't need to. So I'm just going to keep it simple in this affiliate marketing tutorial. So we're all set up. Now we just need to go over here to compose. So I've just gone back here to the offer, and it says free training, how to earn a 6-figure side income online. So what I might do, I don't know whether I'd copy and paste it, but I want to use that so that it flows. Now you can see I've populated this. I've used some of what was on John's thing on his sales letter to make it congruent. And we want to add an image. Now you can either go and get an image from John, or you can go over to Pexels, or you can go to Google and just get something around money and upload it. I'm just going to use some screen capture software and grab the image of John's sales page and use that. So I'm going to rewind. I need to put the image up first. So we're going to create our first post. Now what I did was I'll just put a couple of things there, and then want to upload the image, which I've saved. Now you will have saved one somewhere. I think I need to upload the image first, so let's just do that. My wife's banging away in the kitchen. She's just come home. Okay, I'm back again. I couldn't work out why I kept getting that error. that happens if you don't verify your email address. So I went and verified the email address. Now it should work this time. So I'm going to upload the image. And yes, it worked. Amazing when you don't follow their instructions. And I'm going to copy, or I'm going to paste. I'll take that out. And I can go back to using the bit.ly link again now, I think, because I couldn't work out what was going on. Anyway, live and learn. It happens when we're live. So there's the title. And then the rest, I'm going to where it says speak your mind, I'm going to paste that in there. And I'm actually going to go back and get the bit.ly link because it looks less spammy. Now, you also want to add some tags so that it can get found. And I might put affiliate marketing. As you can see, affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketer, affiliate marketing tips, affiliate marketing. So add all them. I'm not sure how many tags you can post. Now, but the other thing is you can either post it now or there's an option. Okay, we'll add that. Save tags. And then there's an option. You can either post now or schedule into the future. Now, as you can see, you can post affiliate links direct. Now, what happens though, like only 3%, roughly 3% of people that come to a sales page the first time buy. Now, what you can do is you can use landing page software attached to an autoresponder, and it has an opt-in form where you can just collect email addresses and then you can automatically send them more emails over a period of a sequence, maybe say a week, 1 email a day for a week, giving them more information. As a result of that, some more people will actually buy from that affiliate link. And the other powerful thing about that is you can send them more offers in the future around the same niche. Now I'm going to give you, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a link to not one landing page software, but 2. So the first one will be in the top left-hand corner of the video. There'll be a thumbnail there, a pink thumbnail, which says get lifetime access. You can get that for lifetime. So what you do is you click on the thumbnail, that'll take you to another video. In the description below that, we'll have the link to get the landing page software. No credit card required. Now the other one is called ConvertKit. So here it is. I'm over at the ConvertKit, but you'll want to click on the link in the description because what I can do is you can get access to this for free up to I think it's 1,000. They've agreed to 1,000 subscribers, and then after that you'll need to pay for it. So there's 2 options. There's the thumbnail at the top of the video. In a moment you'll see that pop up, and then there's the link to the ConvertKit in the description below. So what would it mean to you to be able to get, like that other person, 1,000, 2,000 views in a day or 2 days or in a week for that matter? They fill in the email address and some of them may buy, and if you continue to email them, set it up automatically, you may convert some more of them. But if you don't want to do that, it's quite okay to direct link to get quick sales. All right, there's some tutorials in my YouTube channel that goes through some of that as well. Now, if you're new to the channel or if you've got value from this, please consider And if you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. I'm happy to answer them. If you've got a particular topic you'd like me to create a video around, just drop it in the comments section below. Now, I hope you've enjoyed my affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners for 2021 and beyond, step by step. I'll see you in the next video.